Yeah. And we'll do one more.
This is Russ doing riveting work. He's going to do 2 rivets and call it a day.
You can stop now. 2 a day.
That's what he's working on. This is him,
There we are.
and this is it.
This is it.
And done, I think.